When to call in a forensic accountant. Introduction. Recapping the key takeaways from Day 4 is a reminder of the importance of strong internal controls in preventing fraud and ensuring financial accuracy. Let's take a look at the final presentation, which is recognizing when to seek professional help from a forensic accountant. Today's session is about helping business owners like you to understand the signs that indicate the need for expert forensic accounting services and the benefits of involving a professional. Signs that you need a forensic accountant. Here are the key signs that you may need to engage a forensic accountant. Unexplained financial discrepancies, persistent discrepancies in financial records that cannot be easily explained or resolved internally. Suspected fraud or misconduct, indications of fraudulent activity, such as missing funds, unauthorized transactions, or irregular accounting practices. Complex financial issues, complicated financial scenarios, such as mergers, acquisitions, or disputes, where a detailed and impartial analysis is required. Regulatory concerns, instances where a business may face legal or regulatory scrutiny, requiring a thorough investigation and accurate reporting. It is important to recognize these signs early to prevent further financial damage. The benefits of professional forensic accounting. Let's explore the key benefits of engaging a forensic accountant. Expertise in uncovering hidden issues. Forensic accountants have specialized skills and tools to identify and investigate financial discrepancies that might go unnoticed by others. Providing legal and regulatory support in cases of fraud, disputes, or regulatory investigations, a forensic accountant can provide essential documentation and expert testimony. Thorough and unbiased investigations. Forensic accountants offer an impartial perspective, ensuring that investigations are conducted fairly and objectively. Protecting business interests. By identifying and addressing financial issues early, forensic accounting can help protect a business's financial health, reputation, and legal standing. Areas to look out for. Here are some specific situations where the expertise of a forensic accountant is particularly valuable to you. Consistent discrepancies in financial reports, repeated errors or inconsistencies in financial statements that suggest deeper issues. Unexplained variances between actual and expected performance, significant deviations from expected financial performance without clear explanations. Issues that persist despite internal investigations, problems that cannot be resolved through internal reviews or standard accounting practices. Legal or regulatory challenges, situations where a business faces potential legal action or regulatory inquiries that require detailed financial analysis and reporting. You need to be vigilant in monitoring these areas and to seek professional help when necessary. Case study. ABC Services, owned by Mr. Smith, has been running smoothly, but recently, he has come across multiple unexplained discrepancies in the company's financial records. These discrepancies include missing payments, unrecorded transactions, and irregularities in expense reports. Concerned that something may be wrong, whether due to errors or potential fraud, Mr. Smith decides to investigate further to get to the root of the issue. He turns to one of his trusted employees, who handles the financial transactions and bookkeeping, to help clarify the inconsistencies. While Mr. Smith hopes the issue can be resolved internally, the growing number of discrepancies has led him to consider hiring a forensic accountant if the situation isn't quickly addressed. The forensic accountant would provide a deeper, impartial analysis to uncover any hidden problems and ensure the company's financial integrity. Example: deciding to call a forensic accountant. Let's see how a business owner might decide to engage a forensic accountant. We found multiple discrepancies that we can't explain. I think it's time to bring in an expert.
Do you think it's necessary? Maybe we can figure it out ourselves.
Given the amount involved, I'd rather be safe and have a forensic accountant take a closer look. Consider the importance of seeking professional help when internal efforts are not enough to resolve financial issues. 0341. What a forensic accountant will do. Outlined below are the key steps a forensic accountant will take to investigate and resolve financial issues. Conducting a detailed and impartial investigation, the forensic accountant will review financial records, interview relevant personnel, and use specialized tools to identify discrepancies and potential fraud. Providing a comprehensive report after the investigation, the forensic accountant will prepare a detailed report outlining the findings, including any identified issues, potential risks, and recommended corrective actions. Offering legal support if the investigation leads to legal action, the forensic accountant can provide expert testimony, documentation, and analysis to support the case. Implementing corrective measures. Based on the findings, the forensic accountant will work with the business to implement corrective measures, such as strengthening internal controls or improving financial reporting practices. Example of a successful forensic investigation. Here is a practical example of how a forensic investigation might unfold. Identifying fraud. During the investigation, the forensic accountant uncovers evidence of embezzlement by an employee who was manipulating expense records to divert company funds. Taking corrective action. The forensic accountant works with Mr. Smith to address the fraud, recover the stolen funds, and strengthen internal controls to prevent future occurrences. Supporting legal action. The forensic accountant provides expert testimony and documentation that leads to a successful legal outcome against the fraudulent employee. Let's connect. Contact Peter Adams. It's time to act. If you're facing unexplained financial discrepancies or suspect fraud, don't hesitate to take action. Contact Peter Adams for expert forensic accounting support. We're here to help you navigate complex financial issues with confidence. Stay informed and connected. Follow us on social media and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest tips on forensic accounting, fraud prevention, and financial management. Book your free 30 minutes consultation at www.numberschef.co.uk. Stay informed and connected. Follow us on social media and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest tips on forensic accounting, fraud prevention, and financial management. Book your free 30 minutes consultation at www.numberschef.co.uk.